I want to use this opportunity to welcome everybody watching this video. Please don't skip this video because what I have to say is very important. So many of you watching this video probably know me to be a piano teacher. I teach piano and I've been very successful in doing that. I have well over 53, is it 54,000? Yeah, 54,000 people following my channel. That's an amazing feat. But is that all there is to me? No. Actually, I am more interested in about God than the playing of the piano. And in as much as you are learning from me, I would want you to also join my Telegram channel where I'll be teaching the Word of God. Because as a pianist, your relationship with God has to be on point. So I'm going to be putting the link of my Telegram in the page or in the description box. Kindly click on it and join. It is a Christ Embassy Missions Telegram page. We'll be praying together. We'll be sharing the Word of God. We'll be talking about Rhapsody of Realities, and get ready to increase or, intensify your relationship with God. And you will never be the same. Trust me, it's going to be an exciting one. So kindly, if you have watched my other video on joining my WhatsApp channel for piano, there were a lot of people coming from Zambia, South Africa, UK, all over the world. So if you're watching this video, join my Telegram channel and then let's talk about God. Because the piano that you're learning, if you're taking it to church, then it's still God you're going to meet. So please join this channel and then let's talk more about God. See you. Bye-bye.